Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to tell you about sounds of animals. Okay, first one is bee. Bee sound is okay. Next is cat. Cat sound is meow, meow, meow. Now next is dog. Dog sound is woof, woof. And next is frog. Frog sound is rabbit, rabbit. And next is horse. Horse sound is nee, nee. And next is snake. Snake sound is hiss, hiss. Next is sheep. Sheep sound is bah, bah. And next is tiger. Tiger sound is grrr, grrr. And next is lion. Lion sound is roar, roar. Next is duck. Duck sound is quack, quack. And the next is cow. Cow sound is